Hello everyone, Keep the View back again with another video. Birds are noisy. Anyways, I'm here at Armadale, the ghetto land. Okay, so let's do our Armadale Station preview. Armadale Station is a key terminus on Perth's Armadale Line. Let's go down the stairs. A significant transformation as part of METRONET's Byford Rail Extension. The station is being rebuilt as a modern elevated facility, enhancing connectivity and revitalizing the surrounding precinct. So basically, it's still very ghetto, and there's a Trans-Dudley Way, is what it seems in office. Okay, wait. This existing Armadale Station features ground-level platforms. It serves as central hub for commuters in the region, but faces challenges with accessibility and integration into the town centre. So right now they're just elevating it, and this is very far from done. So end of the year might be a stretch. It might finish at the end of, in the start of next year. So let's go to the other side of Armadale Line. Of the Armadale Station. Alright, so now I'm at the other end of Armadale Station, and that is going to Byford now. That direction's Byford. So, safety improvements, because they're removing the nearby level crossings at Armadale Road and Forest Road and Church Avenue. That just got recently completed last year. Oh no, it's actually not recent anymore. That was last year. Okay, the new elevated Armadale Station will include 3 platforms, facilitating efficient boarding and modern amenities, incorporating lifts, which as you can see, like there's more than one lift, so that's pretty good. Public spaces, which is underneath the platform. Underneath the platform, underneath the viaduct. There'll be green spaces and stuff. So let's take a walk down. This is too risky. Okay, so anyways, there's many sketchy people, because I'm in Armadale, of course. So hopefully when the new thing, with the new station, they'll probably get cleaned up. Okay, obviously, Woolworths, trolley, not a surprise. Very long bus interchange, that's a fact. Oh wait, let's see in my script whether it says how long they will be. It will extend 8 kilometers south to Byford. So that's I guess. So the transformation of Armadale Station marks a significant step in modernising Perth's public transport network. So the station redevelopment is part of a larger initiative to extend the Armadale Line to Byford. So there's many viaducts. It's quite wide. There's because Trans-Dudley Way will also run all the way to Bunbury, so that'll be nice to look forward to. So okay. Oh shoot. Oh holy. Okay, there's that's just rather go. Okay, this is getting dark and we're in Armadale. Let's just cross the road and hope he doesn't come. Okay, holy, the birds are so noisy. Okay, this is pretty awkward, pretty scary. Okay, bro's running. Okay, I better not look back. Okay, anyways, let's cross the road. Let's actually cross the road. Let's cross the road. Okay, so basically, thank you for watching today's video. Okay, thanks for watching today's video. It's pretty short because of some. Okay, I apologize. I'm not gonna cut this out of the video because I need the link. Make sure to subscribe to Julian Transport 91. Whoa. Okay, what type of Armadale am I living in? Okay, now you can see real Armadale. Okay, probably I'll have a clickbait thumbnail saying I got harassed at Armadale Station. I'm joking. Well, maybe I might say that. Okay, anyways, subscribe to June Transport 91, Perth Train and Bus, and keep your transport. Make sure to follow our Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. And you can see so much of the Transperth community, and they're just okay. Let's see. Okay, anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.